and thank you for joining me for this course on Microsoft SQL Server. I'm Philip Burton of filecats.co.uk, and I'll be taking you through this session 1 of 70-461 Querying Microsoft SQL Server 2012. Today I'll be introducing you to the world of TSQL. We'll be downloading and installing SQL Server for free so that you can use it on your own machine. We'll then be creating a database and our first table. We'll enter some data and then we'll delete the data and the table. We'll then try and expand this table and run into problems. We're going to find out that we need to know a lot more about date, string and number types before we can continue. So we'll look at these data types and also data functions in some detail. Now, data functions allow you to manipulate dates, strings and numbers. So overall, this first session will allow us to start objectives 1, 6, 8 and 12 of the 70-461 exam. This course is ideal if you want to learn SQL from scratch. You don't even need to be taking the exam to learn it. And you don't need any prior database tools. Just a willingness to learn. We'll be taking this day nice and slowly, and future sessions will build on what we learned from this very first session. So why have I created this course? Now, there are already several video courses available regarding Microsoft SQL Server. Indeed, one of the most popular ones is just over 2 hours long. SQL cannot be learnt in so short a time, and even a 12-hour course is not sufficient. Residential courses teach SQL over 5 days, and this is a more realistic amount of time which is needed. And I'll be teaching this in bite-sized chunks, a morning session and then an afternoon session. I'm afraid you'll have to provide the food though. But overall, over all of these sessions, I intend to take you through all of the objectives which are listed for the 70-461 exam. By the end, you should be confident about SQL and looking forward to taking and passing your exam. So without any further ado, let's have a look at the objectives for this exam.